Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Cornificent back here with your guitar interpretations. I have no idea how to pronounce the name of the song, but yeah, I'll just put it in the title there. And we're playing it with Kepa on fret number 3, and the chords are as follows. It's E minor, G, and then A minor to C, okay? Alright, now if you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using, you can check out my chord video. It is a detailed illustration of the chords so you can learn them there. Come back here for your progressions. But it's basically E minor, G, A minor, and C, okay? That's pretty much the whole song, guys. If there's any other songs that you need me to check out, let me know in the comment section below. I will get to them when I'm free. Otherwise, do subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.